Greetings from GCC Library. My name's Aisha Conner-Gaten, and I'm your librarian here to show you how to find empirical articles in a library database. So as we know from our campus guide, empirical articles are reports of research based on observation or experience conducted by an expert, student, professor, or researcher. If you'll scroll down the campus guide page on finding articles, you'll see the very first database listed here, which is Sociology Database via ProQuest. And this is a database that has a lot of empirical articles that you can use for your assignment. So let's use this database to find some empirical articles. To open the database, you'll select the title listed here, and this is a link to our library. If you are off campus, you'll need to log in using your student ID and password first before getting to the database. Okay, so here we are. This is Sociology Database. Like all databases in the library, you will either get to a basic or advanced search, but basically these are just the search boxes you'll put in your topics. So let's put our topic into the first search box at the top of the page, and we're going to do marriage equality. Additionally, because I know my empirical article should be peer-reviewed, I will check the Limit to Peer-Reviewed box right here in the center of the page. When it's checked, the little green mark shows up so that I know that I have selected it. I'll scroll down a bit, and there's a box called Source Type, and this allows you to get even more specific and narrow the type of things that you want to see. With empirical articles, this means that we actually want to choose reports, and we want to choose scholarly journals. These are the two areas that we know empirical articles show up in a lot. Organizations will have reports with data and stats in them, and then of course a lot of empirical articles are produced in scholarly journals. Once we have those two selected, we can click our green search button here on the right and get our results. Additionally, to further narrow to empirical articles, once you have these results, you can use the limiters on the left side of the database page. So here we're going to scroll down and look for a area called document type. And document type, again, allows you to get even more specific in the types of documents that you see in your results list. So let's select document type to expand the column. We see the different types of documents we can see, and we're going to select more at the very bottom. That's going to give us all the options that we can limit to. In the case of empirical articles in the sociology database, we want to include, which is the left column here, articles, reports, case studies, statistics and data reports, and evidence-based healthcare. And again, we checked the boxes next to each of these options in the include column so that these are the things that show up in our results. Once we have selected those particular items, we can click the green apply button to see what the results actually are. And there you go. Already we limited further to 4,000 less items. So again, everything in this list should now be some sort of document type that we've selected, and it should be about marriage equality. Good luck, and if you need any help, please contact a librarian.